In previous videos, we discussed how to set appropriate retention and expire data in Enterprise Vault. Now in this video, we'll focus on the last two important features in eDiscovery Accelerator, legal hold and privilege delete. Let's start with legal hold, which is used when you need to retain certain items that may be part of an ongoing investigation or case. When an item is placed on legal hold, it cannot be deleted, even if the retention period has expired or storage expiry is enabled. The item will remain in Enterprise Vault until the legal hold is removed. Now, as a customer, it's important to regularly review your cases, especially the ones that are now closed. If a case is no longer active and you no longer need the data, removing the legal hold will allow eligible items to be expired and deleted from Enterprise Vault. This is particularly relevant for legacy users, those who have left the organization but whose data may still be held on legal hold. Once the legal hold is removed, that data can be deleted, and with no content remaining for those legacy users, you no longer need their license. Next, let's talk about privilege delete. Privilege delete is another important feature that helps you manage data, especially for users who are no longer part of your organization. Now, sometimes data from former employees may be spread across multiple content sources. But with privilege delete, you can perform a search in eDiscovery Accelerator, locate all of their data, group it into a specific case, and then delete it. Privilege delete is a role-based permission, meaning only authorized users can perform this action. But the main benefit is that once you delete the content of a legacy user, you no longer need their license. Now let's take a look at how to review legal hold and perform privilege delete. Here we have eDiscovery Accelerator open, and we're looking at a case called Financial Fraud Investigation. Now, if we go to the properties of this case, there's an option to put items on hold, with the reason listed as potential evidence. When items are part of this case, they're automatically placed on legal hold. Now, if I review the case, you'll see that legal hold is enabled, and this is the name of the case with the associated reason. Again, since this case is on legal hold, I cannot delete any content related to it. So for example, if I click on delete, I get a warning saying I cannot delete items because the case is set to keep items on hold. With legal hold in place, content will remain in Enterprise Vault. It's important to review your eDiscovery Accelerator cases, especially those where the investigation has concluded and the data is no longer needed. For those cases, simply uncheck the Put Items on Hold option and save. Depending upon the number of items in the case, it could take some time to process, but for this case with just 48 items, the legal hold is removed right away. And now that the legal hold has been removed, I can delete the items. So again, if I try to delete an item now, I get a confirmation that the selected items will be permanently deleted. So again, this is how you can review legal holds, and using privilege delete unnecessary content from the archive. By removing legal holds and deleting legacy user data, you free up storage space and you keep your environment streamlined. Both these actions and the others from previous videos are crucial for maintaining an efficient and cost-effective data environment. So again, so far we've covered multiple options that will help you manage your data and improve your overall data management strategy.